Welcome to SoloZen Mastery. Have you ever hit rock bottom, feeling lost and unsure how to move forward? Today we're going to explore how Stoic principles can help you rebuild yourself from the ground up. The first step is acknowledging where you are. Accept your current state without judgment. As Epictetus said, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. This acceptance is not resignation, it's the beginning of change. Take extreme accountability for your life. According to Marcus Aurelius, the impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. Identify what you can control and focus on those aspects. This mindset shift empowers you to act rather than react. Build your inner strength. Practice mindfulness and meditation to center your mind. As Seneca advises, we suffer more often in imagination than in reality. This mental fortitude will guide you through challenging times. Take action towards change. Break down your goals into actionable steps. Remember, the universe is change. Our life is what our thoughts make it, said Marcus Aurelius. Each small step forwards is a victory. Celebrate these victories to keep yourself motivated. Practice negative visualization to prepare for challenges. Imagine the worst-case scenario and plan how you'll overcome it. This Stoic technique builds resilience and prepares you for adversity. This preparation turns fear into fuel for growth. You are the change you seek. By embracing Stoic accountability and taking action, you can rebuild yourself from any low point. Remember, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength, said Marcus Aurelius. Commit to this journey today. Share your progress in the comments below, and let's support each other in our paths to growth.